Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to dive straight into how to use Todoist for client communication, your 2025 guide. First up, you'll want to create a project for each client. This is done by clicking on the plus sign next to Projects on the left sidebar. The reason we do this is to keep all communication and tasks related to a specific client in one place. It helps us maintain clarity and stay organized. Next, you'll want to add tasks under each client's project. You can do this by clicking on the project name and then the plus sign at the bottom. This is where you'll add all the tasks or items you need to discuss with your client. This helps us because it allows us to keep track of all the important points that need to be discussed and ensures no critical item is missed out. Now that we've done that, it's time to invite your client to the project. You can do this by clicking on the three dots at the top right of the project, then Share Project. You'll input the client's email here. Inviting your client to the project helps them see all planned tasks, updates, and they can also add their own tasks or comments. This establishes an open line of communication between you and your client, making the process transparent and collaborative. Lastly, make sure you're using comments effectively. Comments can be added to any task and are a great way to keep all related communication in one place. You can also attach files to your comments, making it easy to share relevant documents with your client. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can use Todoist as a powerful tool for client communication. It keeps all your tasks and conversations organized and easily accessible. So go ahead, try it out, and streamline your client communication like never before. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy organizing.